Hello my friends, and today I'll brought you another lesson of stock market. So this time I'm going to tell you the most basic, most important rule of the stock market and how it is important to invest on some product, or when to invest and where you are going to lose your funds on investing. Your investment goes down. Okay, this side. Thereafter I'll show you the graph how it's work, and few section I cannot show you, but I'm going to show you the live script of this in MATLAB and will help you to analyze the market. I've already posted few of the videos. This video contain three section, and today I'm going to show one of the section of Bollinger uh, moving average ratio, as well as the simple moving average, and how you would be analyze these graphs. So first I'm going to run, and let's check me out whether everything is right or not. I believe everything is going right. This data is collected by me, so it is not distributable. You can buy these data. It's 17-year data from the year of 1994 to 2017. Sorry, 13 years of data, and you can see the highest high and Bollinger stochastic oscillator, or and moving average data, also the Bollinger Band of this data with closing price. So I'm going to tell you how this you would be able to read this graph, and will show you. Let me open my script. So first you need to load the main data. Here I loaded the data along with the day time. Also with the help of in data, I just created a cell which contain all the data. This is a dedicated function which design my data according to me, and would be able to analyze it. So I'm going to run each section separately. So right now I'm going to run this section only. After getting run this section, I really want to see the output of Bollinger Band. Here my data is being passed, and in this data I am having a price data where okay, so price data being passed to the Bollinger Band, and I'll be getting the upper, middle and lower bands where the market is going up and down, and how you can see the effect of market from the previous data. So after running this data, you will be getting a graph like this. As you can see, the graph is being generated, and this is the curvature of data. We are being analyzed with three bands, the upper, middle and lower band. So this is the most important section of the data, that you must analyze the up in three sections, so that validation can be done. So while let me show you how you would be able effects. So my friends, when you see a downfall like this and upfall like this, so every stock, every market, the pricing has certain things, that it can go up high up to this and go down up to this. This band I have used for my investment as well, Bollinger Band. This is quite effective. As you can see, the prices is going, when the price goes uh, price achieve a certain heights, like is achieve maximum attainability at this time. This is the time where you can withdraw your stocks on price, or whatever, wherever you invest your funds, because after reaching the peak, the price will goes down after certain time. And with the analysis of the Bollinger Band, you will see like this, the point you will achieve, you will see that at certain time it will go the down, the lowest price, and this is the right time to invest on anything. This is the behavior of real estate as well at present market, because 3 year before, the real estate at Chandigarh achieved the maximum uh, pricing range, and uh, we can say the threshold value. Okay, at that time, if a person invested on that, he loses most of the money. And at present the pricing is going down and down, it will goes down up to certain time period. Okay, can be analyzed with the Bollinger. So when you see, we just pass our data, previous data with the Bollinger Band, we get an estimated output. So this is the last time, I'm having the data up to 16th May. So if on 16th May the prices of particular section of market is at certain level, so I'll be waiting for investment till the prices comes down, because at certain time the prices will goes down and it is the right time to do investment. And this is how our we analyze our Bollinger Band and make a strategy to find out the best time period to make our investment. On the next section I'm going to show you the moving average. As you can see, the moving average corresponding to Bollinger Band, you will say that there is a certain relationship between the moving average and the Bollinger Band. We will see that moving average is going averagely up to the year of 2009, or we can say 2008, and after at 2009 it is achieved the maximum height, you can see. And I guess you remember the time where the recession comes in our market at the year of 2009, where every engineer is most of the IT engineers get fired, and the unemployment goes up high, because we see the Bollinger Band is going down at that time. So economic doomed, and we face, and some of the companies, even the talk about the banks, uh, what the name of that bank, I don't remember, the Lehman Brothers, okay, so I guess Lehman Brothers. So even the biggest bank of the America get crash, I guess. And we can analyze their behavior with the help of the moving average and the Bollinger Band. And all you require to do such analysis, just pass your data in the MATLAB, and there's a function available in the MATLAB Bollinger which help you to find out their behavior of data. Even you with the help of that data, you would be able you will be analyze the futuristic investment time, where what is the right investment time of investing something, and it is quite easily seen by the Bollinger. Or if you want to do investment for a short period of time, then you must see the moving average line, and it is available on MATLAB by function name MACD. Okay, so these are the data type. Even you also see the stochastic oscillator behavior of the data, although it is not very effective to analyze the data, or hold or to hold the stocks, and where to when to sell it out. But yeah, if you really want to do investment for a very short period of time, you can do the investment with the help of stochastic oscillator. Also, there is a function available in MATLAB, highest high. This is also very important aspect of financial market, because with the help of an highest high data type, you will see the behavior of stock market is going up and up and up and up, and up to certain level. After certain level it will go down. This is the time of 2009, and after 2009 the market is going up down. And in the futuristic idea, in the next section of the video, how I'm going to show you when is market going to achieve its maximum volatility and what is the right time to do the investment. Okay, that is a part of machine learning, not this thing. So this is the section I'm showing you how you will be able to analyze your data. So even there's a relative strength index available in MATLAB, which you will be able analyze the pricing of data of stock market, and when you will be able to sell out and hold the stocks in times. And this is all about today, and I'm going to show you the last section of the curve. And let me run this section. Okay, Windows eyes, sorry friends. So this is the final analysis of our curve, the simple moving average, and this is just like the Bollinger Band or the highest high. But there is a more important section of this thing. The simple moving average is the base algorithm of everything. So if you can analyze the data behavior with the simple moving average, okay, and you have the sufficient data, or you can buy that data from me as well, but that's not the concern. If you have the data, you can do you can pass your data to simple moving average, and you can easily visualize what is the right time to do investment, how much you need to hold your stocks. Like, I'm going to show you. I'm going up again, and you will see there's a period from 2009 to 2006-17. Around this, the price is going down, they're up, then down, then up, then down, then up, then out, down. So if you would be you do the investment at the year of 2010, and can be hold your data for next 10 year, then you will see after 2 year, and though we are at 2017, you will see at the year of 2020 the market is achieve its highest high, like this, at this point. Okay, so this is the right time to do to sell out your resources or whatever the stocks you are having, because it is the maximum price you can get from any resource, and similar behavior can be seen at Bollinger Band. So after selling out, you will be getting profit, and this is the MATLAB implementation of this financial data. So when I run, you will get whole the graphs of these type of scripts, and I'm going to let me show you the scripts once again, so you can analyze it. This is a small phrase of program. Next time I'm going to show you how these bands will help you to predict the next future outcome of the market.